Have you ever pondered on how to treat and alleviate the flu, specifically the influenza A virus, at home naturally? If that's the case, you're surely not alone. Every year, myriads of individuals find themselves wrestling with the unpleasant symptoms of this flu virus, from fever and fatigue to aches and chills. It's a widespread affliction that can disrupt our daily lives and leave us feeling under the weather. But have you ever thought that there might be a way to combat this illness, particularly influenza A, using natural remedies at home? Intriguing, right? In this video, we're going to explore just that. We'll delve into the world of home remedies, providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to alleviate the symptoms of influenza A naturally. From understanding what's happening inside your body when you're infected with this flu virus to the prevention and recovery process, we'll cover all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to become your own health advocate. Stay tuned as we dive deep into natural remedies for influenza A that you can easily prepare at home. Before we dive into the remedies, let's comprehend what transpires in our body when we contract the flu. This isn't a mere common cold that we're referring to. Influenza, often shortened to the flu, is a highly infectious respiratory illness triggered by influenza viruses, which originally stem from mammals. The term influenza, interestingly enough, is the most common medical name for the flu and is derived from the Italian word influenza, signifying influence. Now envisage this scenario. When we inhale the flu virus, it infiltrates our body and targets the cells in our nose, throat, and lungs. It's somewhat similar to a home invasion. The virus overpowers our cells, exploiting them, proliferate, and diffuse throughout our body. This violation prompts our immune system, our body's innate defense force, to spring into action. The symptoms we endure are fundamentally our body's reaction to the virus and its endeavors to counteract it. Fever and chills, that's our body the heat to create an inhospitable environment for the virus. Fatigue and body aches, that's our immune system operating at full capacity, depleting all its resources to vanquish the invader. Even that pesky runny nose and cough are part of the strategy. They're our body's methods of striving to eject the virus. The flu disseminates effortlessly, primarily via droplets produced when individuals infected with the virus cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people in close proximity, or might possibly be inhaled into the lungs. There are instances where a person might contract flu by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or potentially their eyes. Our body's natural defense system is a two-pronged strategy. The first barrier is our skin and mucus, which attempt to obstruct the virus from infiltrating our cells. If the virus does manage to penetrate, our immune system white blood cells to demolish it. The more robust our immune system, the more effective our body is at warding off the flu. Now that we comprehend our body's response to the flu, let's delve into how we can bolster our body's natural defense system. In the next section, we'll talk about natural remedies to alleviate symptoms and enhance our immune system, assisting us to recuperate quicker and more comfortably from the flu. Stay tuned. There are several natural remedies that can help alleviate flu symptoms and speed up recovery. First, let's talk about herbal teas. These soothing beverages, such as chamomile, peppermint, and elderberry tea, are more than just a comforting warm drink when you're under the weather. They're packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe a sore throat, reduce fever, and alleviate congestion. Chamomile, for instance, is often praised for its calming effects, aiding in a good night's sleep, which is vital for recovery. Peppermint, on the other hand, is known for its menthol content, which can help clear up your sinuses and ease breathing. Next up, we have steam inhalation. Now, this may seem a little old school, but it's an effective way to relieve congestion. The warm steam moistens the nasal passages and throat, making it easier for you to breathe. Adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can further enhance the benefits. These oils contain compounds that have antiviral and antibacterial properties, helping to combat the flu virus and reduce inflammation. Now let's move on to honey and ginger, two natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Honey is a natural cough suppressant and can help soothe a sore throat. It's also rich in antioxidants, which support the immune system. Ginger, meanwhile, can help reduce fever and soothe a queasy stomach, thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Remember, though, to always use raw honey and fresh ginger for the best results. And speaking of food, let's not forget about good old chicken soup. It's not just a myth, chicken soup can indeed help fight the flu. The hot soup can help increase the movement of nasal mucus, clearing up congestion. Plus, the nutritious ingredients provide the body with much-needed nutrients to fight off the virus. Lastly, hydration is key when dealing with the flu. When we're sick, our bodies need even more fluids to function properly and fight off the virus. Water, herbal teas, fruit juices, and even soups can help keep you hydrated. Plus, staying hydrated can also help alleviate symptoms like a dry throat and general fatigue. In conclusion, these natural remedies can help make the flu a little more bearable. They offer relief from symptoms and can help speed up recovery by supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. However, it's important to remember that while these remedies can help manage symptoms, they aren't replacements for medical advice. If your symptoms persist or get worse, it's always best to seek help from a healthcare professional. Remember, these remedies can help manage symptoms, but they aren't replacements for medical advice. High body temperature or fever is a common symptom of the flu. It's a sign that your body is fighting off an infection. However, if your fever is making you uncomfortable, there are ways to safely lower it. Let's discuss a few of these methods. First, you can use a cool compress. Apply a cool, damp washcloth on your forehead or the back of your neck. The coolness can help reduce your body temperature. But remember, the cloth should be cool, not cold. Extremely cold compresses can cause the body to react by increasing the internal body temperature, which is counterproductive. The second method is to stay hydrated. When you're running a fever, your body loses fluids more quickly, which can lead to dehydration. Drinking plenty of fluids can help cool your body down and prevent dehydration. Water, herbal teas, or clear broths are excellent choices. Avoid caffeinated drinks as they can lead to further dehydration. Next, consider your clothing and the environment. Overdressing can trap body heat and make your fever worse. Dress lightly and make sure your room is at a comfortable temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. You can also use a fan to circulate air, but avoid aiming it directly at yourself when you're very hot, as this can lead to chills. Remember, these methods can help manage a high temperature, but if your fever is very high or lasts for more than a few days, seek medical attention immediately. A persistent high fever could be a sign of a more serious condition and should not be ignored. So, while it's important to know how to manage your symptoms at home, it's equally crucial to know when to seek professional help. Avoiding the flu is always better than treating it, wise words that hold true, particularly when it comes to influenza. So how can we steer clear of this pesky virus? Let's start with good hygiene practices. Washing your hands regularly, avoiding close contact with sick individuals, and keeping your environment clean can significantly reduce your risk of catching the flu. Remember, the flu virus can survive on surfaces up to 24 hours, so keeping things clean is not just about aesthetics, it's a health necessity. What you consume also plays a critical role in preventing the flu. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fatty meats can boost your immune system, making it harder for the flu virus to take hold. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain your body's natural defenses. But what if, despite your best efforts, you still catch the flu? Don't worry, that's where recovery comes into play. If you're hit the flu, it's essential to rest and hydrate. Your body needs energy to fight off the virus, and rest provides that energy. Hydration, on the other hand, helps thin the mucus and makes it easier for your body to get rid of the virus. Keep in mind, recovery from the flu can take anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks. So don't rush your body. It's doing a lot of hard work behind the scenes to get you back on your feet. Prevention is indeed better than cure, and recovery is a crucial part of overcoming the flu. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Natural remedies can be a great way to manage flu symptoms at home. Isn't it fascinating how nature provides us with potent remedies that can relieve discomfort and hasten recovery from the flu? We've journeyed through the complexities of the human body, unraveling the science of influenza and how our immune system battles this unwelcome invader. We've explored a variety of natural remedies that can help alleviate flu symptoms. From the warming comfort of ginger tea to the antiviral properties of raw honey, these remedies are not only effective but also easily accessible from the comfort of your own kitchen. Prevention, as they say, is better than cure. We've delved into the preventive measures that can shield us from the flu, emphasizing the importance of a healthy lifestyle and proper hand hygiene. Remember, the healthier your lifestyle, the stronger your immunity, and the better your body can fight off the flu. The road to recovery from the flu doesn't end with the departure of symptoms. Proper recovery is as crucial as treatment itself. Ensuring adequate rest, staying hydrated, and gradually returning to your normal routine are key to a complete recovery. Your body has just fought a battle. It deserves to recuperate fully before it's ready to take on the world again. In our daily hustle and bustle, it's easy to overlook our health until we're down with the flu. Yet it's these simple, natural remedies and preventive measures that can keep us in the pink of health. As we conclude this enlightening journey, let's make a commitment to prioritize our health, to listen to our bodies, and to adopt a more natural and holistic approach to our well-being. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy, everyone.